Hello and welcome to our video on date and time tags on Kizeo Forms for your custom reports. Tailor your reports with date and time fields and display them in various formats. Let's have a look at how to create these tags. You can make the date and time appear in various formats on your form. Here's a list of the tags for each specific format. Here, date time corresponds to the tag of your date and time field, in our case inspection date. Let's add them to our export and save our form to have a look at the various formats. As you can see, based on the item tags, the date and time appear in various formats on our custom export upon form filling. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at support@kizeo.com.